how to add a subscribe button to your video in Camtasia Studio 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. Okay, in this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this until the very end because you don't want to miss any part of the video. That's very important. Okay, now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I have this video important in Camtasia Studio and Media Bin. I have this video important. That's a super simple video for a tutorial, but it's just me using the mouse, just moving the mouse left and right, doesn't matter, but I'll add a subscribe button to this video. Okay, the best way to add a subscriber to your video, so go to your default browser. In the search bar you need to write Pixabay, and I'll tell you why I use this website. Here in the search bar write Pixabay, something like that, Pixabay. Okay, this is the website. 2.5 million stunning free images to use anywhere, or even videos, not only images. But now please go to images and select videos here, and here's right subscribe. Okay, and now here we don't use this ones, the sponsor video, iStock or whatever. This is, you need to pay for them, but these ones are free. Not only they are free, but let's say I want to use this is the one that I'm using, this YouTube subscribe I'm using in my videos. And here you can see why I use this website, because it's free for commercial use and no attribution required. And as you can see how beautiful that in this animation graphic motion is. It's stunning. I love it. It's very useful if you want to, you know, add to your video subscribe button, so you can remind people to subscribe. And it's very simple. I know it's very looks very good as well. So just tap on free download and choose your resolution. I don't want to have a high resolutions. For me it works like this. Now save this one and grab this and put it in your media bin. And here guys, now we have this video, okay? And what you want to do now, you go to tab on right click and go to edit audio, okay? And grab this, drag this a little bit down because it's too loud when you hear the subscribe. Okay, there's like a bell icon, bell sound. Okay, anyways, now I want to add this and we added this subscribe in our video, but obviously there's this green behind, so we don't want this to use this green. We need to remove the green screen behind this subscribe, right? So what you need to do is to go to visual effects. You look for visual effects. If visual effects is not in here, look, tab on more, and here you will see visual effects. And now scroll down, and here we have remove a color. So now grab remove a color. Okay, grab this remove a color and drag it onto your video. Right, this one we have subscribe, right? And now here we have something. If you scroll down, we have now in visual properties we have here a new effect we just added. Okay, a new effect, and this effect will help us to remove a color. Okay, we added this from here, and now you need to go to tolerance and increase the tolerance, so this green will be removed. Okay, and softness, a bit of softness. Okay, like, and now you know you can still see the video now. Now the green is removed, right? And you see the animation. Look how beautiful it is, right? So you can obviously add this behind an image. Here guys we have an image. As you can see, we can add this over an image, this subscribe button. Here we have an image. Okay, we have this image. Here we have the subscribe button, the subscribe animation. Decreasing a little bit the resolution. Now if you watch this video, we have this subscribe button. Look how beautiful it is. And now if you have guys any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Write your question and I'll create a video based off of your own question. I'll create a video, and maybe with that video I can help you. Okay, so don't forget to drop any questions you have and I'll create the how to video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.